Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video I'm going to be showing you how to get long lasting coils on your hair with no heat at all, zero heat. If you want to see how I achieve these beautiful bouncy coils, stay tuned and watch till the end. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, now is the time to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and also turn on the notification. This wig has already been washed and conditioned, so it's clean. I'm going to start off by parting the hair into two sections. And then for this tutorial, all you need is your Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner, Flexi rod, and some water. Well, if you have a styling mousse, that will do just fine also. But I don't have styling mousse, so I'm just going to go with what I have. So starting off, I'm going to section my hair into smaller pieces. I'm going to start cutting my hair into smaller sections for the coils. Okay, so I want my coils to be big. I don't want small tiny coils. I wanted a fat coil. So in order to achieve that, I'm going to take two rods and then I'll coil them and twist them around each other. This way the coil will come out looking bigger than if I use just one rod. So you take two rods and then you twist them around each other. This was how I was intending to do all the hair, but then halfway into coiling I realized I didn't have enough rods, so I had to start using one. But anyways, let's continue with the video. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the leave-in conditioner on the hair. I'm going to rub it in. Also, I mix it with water. Some people like to use spraying bottle. They'll put the leave-in conditioner inside the spraying bottle and spray it after mixing it with water, but I like to do my own directly. This way the coils will come out more bouncy and last longer. This way the hair can absorb the leave-in conditioner better. That's how I feel. After applying it, I'll comb it out from the roots before coiling, like how you can see right now. And while doing this, you want to make sure your coils, all the coil you're going to make on this hair, are following a particular pattern. You can't have each one you roll be going different direction. Make sure all your coils are going to be facing the same direction, following the same pattern, to give the hair a better look when you finish doing it. Just keep watching and observing. It's a very simple process. All you need is just your flexi rod, your leave-in conditioner, water, and your comb to brush your hair out. And that's all. It's just a repetitive process you do. And then when I'm done with that one, I'm going to start doing the same thing to the next hair. I finish rolling everything, I'm going to set it aside and let it air dry for a couple of hours, maybe a day or two. I kept it outside the sun so that the sun can heat it very well, so that it will be dried before I come and unravel the coils. Okay, so this was after 2 days. Then I brought it in and I'm going to unravel the coil now. And you see how beautiful this coil came out looking. So it's very, very beautiful, and the way it's bouncy, this coil is going to last very, very well. So I went ahead and then I curled the other side that I didn't do in the video. In the first part of the video, I curled all the hair, and this is what everything looks together. Yeah, this is what everything came out looking like. It was looking so fine and very beautiful. So this is something you can do anytime when you don't want to apply heat to your hair. You can do this for your hair. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video to a friend, and also you can also comment what you would like to see next. Thank you guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.